No doubt, website traffic is one of the best traffic source to promote your ClickBank products or offers as well as any affiliate offers. Once if you rank your website or blog on Google search engine result page, it will drive tons of ongoing traffic for you and it will drive tons of sales too. But in this video guys, I'm going to show you how to promote ClickBank products without a website, step by step, with another traffic source which is highly quality traffic to convert your affiliate offer than a website traffic. So if you're a first time here, we are running a series of ClickBank for beginners with Facebook ad, where I made video part 1 about Facebook pixel and custom conversion, video part 2 about Facebook conversion ads, video part 3 about the conversion ad where I focus more on creatives, and video 4 it was custom audience and lookalike audience. And this video part 5, here in this video I'm going to show you creating a lead magnet. So let's dive in. You don't need to rely on paid traffic always to promote your ClickBank offers, guys. There are 3 different traffic sources which is more effective than paid traffic, as well as equivalent to the paid traffic. And that is, guys, the number 1 is earned traffic. So what is this earned traffic, guys? Something where you have your own website. Let's say if you're promoting manifestation and law of attraction related products, and creating a website on that, or a YouTube channel, or a health and wellness fitness niche, and you're creating your own website and YouTube channel. Having a Facebook page or a Instagram page is enough to create some sales, but not for a long way. You can go with Instagram or Pinterest something, but definitely with the web content or a blog and YouTube channel is one of the best source. This is one of my YouTube channel, guys, and fat loss ball, which I created almost 1 year back. And you can see these are some of the videos here having a lot of 1000 views, 900 views, 700 views, 500 views. These entire views, guys, are completely free. What I did was I created a content which is valuable on a particular niche known as weight loss and fat loss, and I just promoted those content ranked in the YouTube search engine. And that's how, guys, this is a free traffic, guys. So if you ran Facebook ad ever, you can see getting a 900 views or a click, 1000 click, how much you have to pay, you know that, just I created this small channel. I ran only 3 months or 4 months, I think so, I drive tons of traffic to the affiliate offer. I was promoting ClickBank offers, as well as, guys, one more platform, that is Market Health, and here you're gonna get a lot of products related to weight loss and health and fitness only. So this is one of the best, guys. One of the best thing is, guys, this channel is still driving tons of traffic, whereas I uploaded only 20-25 videos on this, and it is working. Just you have to rank your videos. I don't have any blog or website. I tried with blog, but I'm not able to succeed on that. So I came into YouTube and I got success. That's how the second largest search engine is. Anybody can create. And if you watch these videos, guys, this is just a slide. So anybody can create it. Very soon I'm going to bring a series on this, how to drive tons of traffic by creating a YouTube channel. So this is one of the, no doubt, one of the best source. That's why we called as a earn traffic. You have to earn it by providing a free content to the target audience. Another one is, guys, paid traffic. Well, I don't need to say more about this. Okay, you know that Facebook ad, Google ad, or a native ad, you can use any ad. If you're very good on ad, you have a money, if you have a knowledge, you can definitely do that. And, guys, one of the another my favorite traffic source is own traffic, guys, and that is email marketing. Promoting ClickBank offers with emails is amazing, guys. It's an own traffic, because once, whatever the source is, guys, earn traffic or paid traffic, you need this one of the source, so that you can earn and get a lot of emails. Okay, once if you have emails, guys, this is owned by you. You can not only promote one product, guys, you can promote any product, any offers of any platform based on that particular niche. Okay, that's a own traffic. Once if you have it, you can do it. So how it's going to work, you can see, guys, for example, I'm taking here Facebook ad or your YouTube channel. So what you're doing generally is you're driving the traffic to a landing page, And this landing page, you're collecting the emails, and then you're sending them to thank you page, offer page, and if they make buy in the offer page, you will make a commission. If they don't buy, you have their emails captured right in the autoresponder, right? Email or autoresponder. I'm going to show you in a second in this video, right? But here is one thing in this entire process, and that is your landing page. And if your landing page doesn't have a lead magnet, that's why I called a lead magnet as a money magnet, because once if you collect that email with that lead magnet, right? Email is your asset. It will be there with you, own traffic. So for getting that own traffic, guys, you need a proper lead magnet. So what is a lead magnet here for me? A lead magnet is an incentive, and more often I will call it a valuable content that you are providing to your audience or potential right buyers of that particular niche to get the email address or any other kind of information what you need. Okay, nobody will give you their emails, guys, if you don't provide a proper right valuable things. Okay, in this case, this is one of my, if you can see, this is one of the screenshot of my one of the ClickBank offer which I was promoting. Okay, here in this case I was giving a training. So what is a valuable here? So valuable here stand for, guys, something which can solve their real problem. Okay, and something which can promise one quick wins, right? Immediately they can get that and they can get the benefit, because people believe instant gratification right now. Super specific. It should be focusing on one thing. It should not be talking about so many different things. And quick to digest, guys, something which they can use right now, right? Download right now, like a PDF that I'm going to show you in a second. Okay, and it should be high in value. So here in high in value means, guys, also price wise, as well as there are something right in their life which you can solve, which is not they can buy with money. Okay, so something like that. It should be valuable in the money basis also, their problem basis also, and it should be, they should access those kinds of things instantly right now, right itself. For example, these are the few things which I give and which I believe which still work. And the number one is, guys, checklist. For example, guys, let's say if you're running a Facebook ad, what if I'll give you right a checklist while setting up your Facebook ad? You have to go with that checklist, right? Just you have to make a step-by-step process. Okay, it's a benefit for you. It's solving your Facebook problems. Checklist is amazing. And then you have a cheat sheet. Definitely cheat sheet work, right? The same way, right? You're providing them a short something, right? Which they can get instantly. Or another third one is, guys, sales funnel. Okay, let's say if I have some profitable sales funnel which I'm promoting, ClickBank offer or any offers, okay, I can give you the templates or the sales funnel, swipe file, or, guys, training and tutorials are really works more than any kind of a checklist or cheat sheet, guys. What you're seeing right now, and a guide, right, how to do. And then case study, right? For example, in my upcoming videos, you will see that I'm going to share you videos where I'm going to share you my real campaigns, how I made my $1,000, how I'm making my $1,000, $500, whatever it is. Okay, so I will show you the case study, how I went. And some of the formats are like PDF version, right, which works, right, so that they can instantly download. And one of the best version is, guys, audio or video files. Okay, anything in audio or video. This is right, 2020 and beyond is all about videos and audios. So you can give this quiz. You can see so many people are promoting quiz in their landing page. Okay, webinar is right, one of the another quality thing. And you can also see sometime like free book. People are providing free book. You have to give the shipping charges, and at the last it is an ebook. Ebook is not my favorite right now, guys. My favorite is like audio or video or checklist, cheat sheet, sales funnels, or training, right? These case studies. So this works better than, like, for me, ebooks, because right now people want quickly. Nobody want to read that 200 pages ebooks. Instead of that, you can give them a training and videos. That's up to you. So now let's dive into the marketplace of ClickBank. So whatever your offer is, guys, in this case, guys, I'm selecting this offer like Ted's woodworking, right? You have to open the affiliate page, and in this affiliate page you can see They are providing you so many things so that it will be helpful for any ClickBank beginners. If you're a beginner, you have to select these kinds of offer which where you are getting maximum support from the vendors. And if you go down, you can see 50 free plans landing page. If you open this landing page and if you put the emails, you will be landed in this page called the Art of Woodworking. Okay, if you open this landing page right now, you can see get instant access to 50 free woodworking plans. If they put the email, you will be landed here in the Art of Woodworking guide, and from here, all right, you can download this, right, PDF files. Okay, but you can't optimize this. By seeing this, whatever the landing page builder you're using, you have to make your own. For example, guys, this is this is one of the landing page where anybody is going to put the emails. Okay, the email will be collected into the autoresponder, into the software that I'm going to show you in a second, and they will be landed here in congratulations, thank you page. And once if they click, they will be landed here and they will download their ebooks or whatever they are offering. In their affiliate page, guys, if you go down, they are providing you so many banners and all. If you go down, guys, here you can see email swipes. So already they have written email for you. That means you don't need to write any emails, guys. Just you have to grab it and you have to use in the software that I'm going to show you in a second. Email 1, 2, and they have second follow-up, right? And 3, 4 emails right now. Okay, they have given the notes like, you can see the test have shown that sending 3 email will result in the most sales. No matter how many emails you intend to send, the third follow-up email should be the last. It is high pressure and it converts the highest. So they have given all these things, guys, just you have to do, and this can be done with any offer. For example, guys, this is another offer, Manifestation Magic, which is doing very well. And if you open their affiliate page, and you can see they are providing you the same kind of a lot of support, and here you can see email swipe for Manifestation Magic. And if you go down here, guys, you can see they're also providing you so many free steps like this, guys. You can see 7 scared sign from the universe. Okay, this is a free gift you can give in your landing page by creating your landing page. Okay, and you can also see like free gift too. For example, if I just want to open this in a new page, you can see here, guys, this is the this is what they are offering, which is free abundance miracle tone, right? Just you have to create your landing page. Okay, that's it, right? Okay, by just copying this one. Okay, they're also providing you the email swipe. Look at this to promote, right, any kinds of after sending the gift, right? For example, the abundance miracle tone, you can send these 3 emails. Okay, email swipe 1, swipe 2, swipe 3. Just you have to copy and headline, you have to take the subject and copy this thing. Okay, and also you can, if you already have the email list, like I already have a list of law of attraction and manifestation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these kinds of emails already to promote directly the affiliate offer, Manifestation Magic. To collect the emails, guys, I use this software called Get Response. This is all for one for all software for any online marketer or a affiliate marketer. This is amazing software, guys. You can see you can use this software for email marketing, creating auto funnel, creating a landing page too, and also you can create marketing automation and autoresponder. Okay, so many things you can do with this. Okay, this is an amazing software. And you can also integrate this software with your WordPress or a lead pages. Let's say if you're creating your landing page with lead pages, that doesn't lead pages or ClickFunnels doesn't have autoresponder to collect the emails. You can integrate with this. Okay, so whatever the landing pages you're using, and if you don't want to use any other landing page, you can use their landing page and you can collect the email itself. Okay, and when it comes to price wise, guys, you can see the basic one is $15. Okay, with $15 per month, guys, you can collect 1,000 email. You can you can select your packages. With 1,000, being a beginner, it's amazing, right? To collect the emails, autoresponder, unlimited landing pages, sales funnel, lead funnels, Facebook ad. Also, you can create with this. Okay, amazing. You can go by annually basis also. And the link of this software is given in the description, guys. Check the description, click there, and you will get the software link. Okay, and this is the dashboard of this software, guys. You can see, you will get click here, and you can create any of those things which you're looking. Okay, here you can see, right, create a newsletters, landing page. Okay, and then you have an autoresponder, and you can create the form, and also you can create a sales funnel. This is auto funnel. Okay, and when it comes to landing page, guys, you can see here are a few of the landing page. This I am not using right now because I use more ClickFunnels lead pages, and this is amazing tool for any beginner, okay, to create the landing page. And creating landing page is very easy, guys. You can see it's a drag and drop. I already made a video on this, how to use this, right, this landing page here. Okay, the get response landing page. The link is popping up right now. Right now you can see the link is there in the window. You can use and you can watch that, and it's very easy, drag and drop, and it's very simple, guys. So in my next video, guys, I'm going to show you how to create the autoresponder. That means the sequence of email, right, promoting ClickBank offer, right, just choosing the offer and picking that email given by them and setting up this sequence one by one, because this video is already long. I don't want to stretch more. Hope you like it, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like it, and if you got any value from it, give the thumbs up to this video and comment me down anything you want to ask me. Thank you.